Hello guys, hope you are doing fine. Welcome back to UpRock. This is a project I mentioned I think a month or two back, and now I have some results, some news. iOS is coming soon. There is voting on Jupiter that is also inside the app on your phone. So a lot of things going on, very cool projects. It just runs in the background, absolutely free, and earns the points. Hopefully you're gonna get some nice decent airdrop. But even now I really like it. I don't even notice it working in the background on the phone. Obviously in the settings you can choose if you wanna run it only on a Wi-Fi or outside as well. I left it. I've got some data plan. I never reached that threshold of using the data plan, so I run it all the time, but you can run it only on a Wi-Fi inside your home or something. And let's get to the results. So far it's been, like I said, over a month, let's call it even two, I think. We are earning those UPT points, UpRock points, which, as you can see, they don't have much value yet, or at the moment. Like I said, I never even switch on the app. It just runs in the background. But what I'm hoping as well is those WEN coins. Some people are asking, why can I withdraw it? Basically, at the moment you can't withdraw anything until they go to mainnet, to the live network, and we're not sure when it's gonna be, but at least it's keep adding, keep growing, keep moving those points. So obviously we're gonna get some UPT points and some WEN tokens. WEN is the meme coin, I think mentioned in some video. It's popular on Solana network, and obviously you can sell it later or do with it. But this value, as you can see, doesn't include UPT yet. So we're gonna see how it's going to perform, or what price is going to be at launch, and then we can decide to sell it or keep it or something. So this is the results. Now gonna talk about this vote. If you go to Jupiter, you can vote for them. 0.75% will go to Jupiter DAO, and I didn't vote yet. I don't honestly know other projects. I think I heard something about Sanctum, but just gonna vote for it and see. Just give them a little boost. I'll put the link down below. Try to put to this proposal. And also, maybe if you noticed another video of Grass, very similar to UpRock, but you can run it inside the browser on your PC. With UpRock it only works on Android phone and Mac OS, so it depends what you have. You can run them. I run Grass on my laptop, which is also a very cool app for gathering those points, selling the data on your internet. And UpRock is the same, and now it's going to be on iOS as well, as it's already on Android phone and Mac OS. So how do you get it? You'll see the link down below. It will get you to this one. I think it will take you to this page. And if you have a MacBook, then obviously you can install a MacBook. If you have Android phone, you can install Android phone, or wait for iOS to be ready for your iPhone. And that's it. You install it, put some details, your email, register, and that's all there is to it. And literally runs in the background without doing anything, and you can start earning those points. And let's see how it goes. But this is absolutely free and doesn't need a lot of work. So thank you guys for watching.